Hello guys, I hope you're all well. I've just splashed my face with water, which is why it's wet. It's not sweat. So I'm gonna do a weekend vlog. I didn't plan on doing it, but I've got something fun that I'm doing tonight. I've got an open house for my Tropic event. I planned it really last minute because we move a week on Monday. It's Friday now. Still haven't got a house for us to move into yet, but yeah, I just thought while I've got this house and quite a lot of space, it's a good idea to do it. Today, I feel like I've just been rushed off my feet. So did the school run, went and got fuel for my car, nursery run, went to the club because one of my friends had a borrow basket with all Tropic stuff. I didn't even think to ask if she would actually be there at that time. I just went and she wasn't. Went to the charity shop, back home, set up the table, which I'll show you. It looks really cool, I think, for my first one. I had someone collect the cot, Jensen's cot, because I've sold that now, so I had to dismantle that. Back to the club to get the borrow box, supermarket to pick up my food shop, and then I had my PT session at the Mint Yard. I rushed and I was half an hour early. I got the time wrong, but they were doing trial sessions of Indian head massages and reflexology. So I had a 10-minute head massage, 10-minute foot massage or reflexology, and it zenned me out. I then did my workout, went and picked up Jasper. We've just come home quickly, and now gonna go get Jensen. So yeah, it's been full on, but I'm excited just to like chill out tonight, have some friends round. I've got lots of nibbles and drinks, and I was stressing a bit. They're like, oh, what if the boys stay up? But it doesn't matter, it's gonna be fine. Okay, so I've got the boys from school now and I am all ready. Thought I'd dress quite nice and summery. I haven't done my skincare or makeup. I'm gonna do that in a minute. I need to do the food first. I thought I'd show you my little setup. It's making me feel sad that I'm leaving now because this is like the perfect room for it. So as you come to the door, I've got some leaves. I haven't done them very well, but I just thought at least then people know if they haven't been here before, they're in the right place. And then as you walk in, I've got my business cards, more for like people to take on the way out. And then over here, I've got the Tropic signature scent in the diffuser so people can see and smell what it's like. And then in here I have got an example of the packaging because Tropic bags, everything's recyclable. This is using vegetable dye. The bubble wrap is recyclable, which not all bubble wrap are. An example borrow box for people that are local if they want to borrow any products. And then I am going to move this. Over here I've got all of the makeup set out. I like how I've done it. Well, that's a bit of rubbish. How I've done it with the little leaves. I'm going to light the candle as well so that people can smell that. So that's that little setup. And then this is the main display. So I've kind of tried to organise it as best as I can. I'm sure there probably is a more organised way. I've got a feeling these two are going to be wide awake. Be careful. Pineapple. Yeah, there's a pineapple. Yes, so anyway, this is everything. I've got some of the little sticks so that people can try the products, a couple of bamboo cloths. I've got some mint from the garden. And then in here, I've got some catalogues, order forms, and then some little information on like if you want to host a pamper party, and you get like a loyalty card if you're a hostess. And I'm going to have some nibbles here. Oh, and I have got the hand wash and hand soap here. Kids have been at that, so that people can try that. So yeah, I'm feeling quite nervous. I mean, it's all my friends, it's all people that I know. So yeah, I just think it'd be a lovely night. I'm not thinking of it as like a pamper party where I've got to host and do lots of games and stuff. It's literally just gonna be like having friends over / Tropic products. So yeah, I'm gonna make the food now quickly. Well, that's the open house done, and I think it went really, really well. Like, it was just a really nice, chilled out evening, and it was just really nice just catching up with friends. We had nibbles and some drinks, and yeah, it was lovely. For my first event, I think that went really well, and it's kind of eased me into it. I've got my first pamper party next week, so yeah, I don't feel as nervous about it now, which is good. But yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna take off my makeup. As I was taking off everyone's makeup, I was like, oh my God, I just wanna be doing this to myself. But yeah, I'm gonna do that now. And get into bed. Good morning. So we have just woken up and it is 5 to 9 and we've been up for like 20 minutes. So usually every morning, do you like it?
Yeah.
blue smoothie. Usually every morning I do a Hulk smoothie for the boys, which is a green one. And I thought I'd experiment with some different colours, so I've just done a blue one. I used blue spirulina and look. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do like a superhero smoothies video. I might start filming it today actually, with green smoothie, red smoothie and a blue smoothie, which would be Hulk, Captain America and Spider-Man.
Yeah.
So
You mean the cat?
yeah, but it's so healthy and it's such a great way of getting all their like fruits and veggies and vitamins and minerals and stuff in. All right. So the boys decided to go for fried banana pancakes this morning. It's literally just like Scotch pancakes with bits of fried banana on top. And I have gone for berry compote on my pancakes. Right, we are heading out for a house viewing. It's one of the houses that I viewed over a week ago. And I think we're gonna go for it. It is, colour's very yellow. Yeah, it's a house that I viewed and I really liked. The bedrooms are a good size, location-wise is perfect. The only thing is the living space is really small. And I'm thinking mainly for the boys, like they're used to having, excuse the mess, like all of this space. That's like our dining room. This is our living room. Like they're just used to having a lot of space to run around. And we've got quite a big garden here. Obviously this is our family home, like when there were 5 of us. No, there isn't a cat at this one. Whereas this is just for the 3 of us, so we don't need a lot of space, and the bedrooms are a good size, so they can have all their toys and stuff in their room. I'd be able to have like an office space. No! So yeah, I'm gonna see. I've just measured like sofas, table and stuff to see if I can fit it all in. Yeah, I'm thinking it'll be the one. My brother's gonna meet us so he can give his opinion. And yeah, hopefully it means today I will have committed to a house because we have to move a week on Monday. Gents, what are you eating?
Eating this.
Is it a lemon?
Yeah.
You're silly.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes.
So we came home for a little bit and then my brother and my niece popped over and I've just filmed a quick smoothie video. I think I mentioned it on here. So what one have you got, Jasper?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Sienna, what have you got?
Hulk.
Hulk. And then Jensen's upstairs and he's got the Captain America, which is the blue one. So that video should go live probably a few days after this one. But yeah, just having a nice chilled out time at home, eating veggie sticks, demonstrating some very good children's eating at the moment. This was the nibbles left over from yesterday. Lots of fruit, lots of veggies. It's not always like that here though, is it? It's normally McDonald's.
It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can.
Right, so that is Jensen in bed. Jasper's gone for a sleepover at my brother and sister-in-law's house. But it was really nice. They brought pizzas over and the kids played in the garden and we ate outside and stuff. So we've had a lovely, lovely afternoon. And yeah, I'm just gonna do some work. I've got some Tropic orders to put through, which is exciting. And yeah, Jensen has decided he wants to sleep in my bed tonight, which is fine. So yeah, I think I'll call it a night for now and then pick up in the morning. Look who slept with me last night. Are you tired?
No.
Okay. Did you have Did you have a good sleep?
Yeah.
Was it nice being in here?
Yeah.
Jasper ended up coming back from the sleepover as well. At like 11:30, my brother messaged me and was like, Jasper wants to come home. So, yeah, he's in his bed. Oh, I'm sleepy. Right, we are just getting ready to go to the club. For some reason, I decided to book the boys into the creche and the kids club at 9 o'clock on a Sunday morning. It's because the 10 o'clock slot wasn't available. Otherwise, I would have gone for 10. I'm going to do a synergy class, which is like a HIIT strength training one. And it's using the new bit of equipment at the club.
For the club, is it?
I'll show you when we get there. I'll show you through the window. Okay? But yeah, I'm dressed. I need to go down and brush my hair. Jensen is dressed and Jasper's just putting his socks on. They've had their breakfast. They had Scotch pancakes. Oh, really dark. Scotch pancakes with fruit. Look at my hair. And I have got a Huel. I haven't had Huel in ages. So I've got 2 scoops of vanilla Huel. I've got a whole banana, handful of strawberries and blueberries. And I've done it with water because if I did that with milk, it would be way too thick.
If you say, I mean, that means I'm good.
Yeah. Maybe.
And some milk, please.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spent my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else.
And that is the workout done. So I didn't actually show any of it because it was so like, there were no, I've got paint on my finger. Jasper in the kids club made a Pikachu on a cereal box. It's still a little bit wet. Yeah, so we did, there was like 9 stations. You do 45 seconds on the station and then 45 seconds of cardio, 45 seconds on the station. So it was pretty intense. So we've just come to Mum and Dad's because they just got back from holiday. We haven't seen them for a whole week and they're doing an Easter egg hunt. So Jasper's just hiding. Are you hiding them now or finding them? Oh no, he's hiding them. We're not allowed to look.
No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
So we've just gotten back from my mum and dad's. We ended up staying there all day. It was meant to just be like a couple of hours. So that was lovely. The boys had dinner there. So I'm just trying to sort out Jensen's blind. So yeah, I made sure that we stayed there in the end until bedtime. So the boys are literally just going to get in their pyjamas, brush their teeth and straight to bed. I am feeling pretty pooped, but I brought some boxes back from mum and dad's. So I'm going to do some more packing tonight. I've got 2 videos to edit, this one included and the smoothie one. And I'll try and have an early night. Don't think I'm going to do all of that, but yeah. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you've enjoyed this vlog. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Comment below if it'll let you. I don't know what's going on with YouTube at the moment. And I will see you next time. Bye.